Okay, we have here what this means. This is September of 2022's Grim Workshop Survival or Grim Workshop subscription. You see, this actually came on the 31st of August. Let me cut a little bit. Yep. Yep. Now. Oh wow. Huh. Get all the goodies out. So first on the card will be the Bushcraft card. Let me see. This should be it. Yep, it's a Grim Workshop card. Okay, it says it comes with a selection of outdoor survival tools, a knife with a sawback, small fishing hooks. It says times 6, I guess. Two large fishing hooks, 2 arrowheads that can be interlocked into a broad head arrow tip, and 2 sewing needles / sutures. This tool is the same size as a credit card and fits into your wallet. Almost a survival kit. Each item can be removed, used, and then put back into the card thanks to our custom designed tool retention system. Honestly, I'm probably gonna put this in. I'm actually probably gonna be putting this in my pocket. You don't know, right? That retails for $19.99. Honestly, that's useful. Actually, that's actually really useful. Heck, if I lost this, but I had this in my pocket, I wouldn't be screwed for a knife. That's pretty cool. Now let me tell you, I saw one of the tip cards, by the way. So yeah. By the way, the reason I love the Grim Workshop's monthly subscription is because, like, stuff like this, stuff that's, like, useful, you can, and for me, and it's only $20, which is really nice, and that's really nice to have, plus if you like me, you like small, so you do small survival kits, hey, you have options when you get them, Like say on this, I'm gonna put the knife in a outdoor survival tent, along with the arrowheads or something, or even just a knife, because I'm doing an urban one and I need a little cutting tool. Now, I've been very happy with Grim Survival, or the Grim Workshop monthly subscription. I have, to be honest. Because I really do love, legitly, these little wallet-sized cards. Because you don't know when, because here's the thing, you don't know if you have, like, stuff like this in the, you know, in, I'm trying to think of the words, like, you have, like, a solo kit, and you have, like, stuff like, these little cards right here, and your supplemental kit, and you lose your survival kit, you're pretty much screwed unless you have your supplemental kit. Now, for me, this is a supplemental kit / EDC thing. I live out in the woods anyway, so this is perfect. I'm actually happy with this. I am. Oh, here's a tip. Wrap your knife handle with a layer of fine fish line, and it can be stick back down on the tool retention system for later use. Honestly, it looks like you can kind of use it as something, as like a little neck knife. There's little holes in it. That's pretty cool. Now, I really do enjoy, getting this subscription. I do. So, yeah. So, okay, so the next thing is the Gig Dog Tag, which has 2 hooks. Wait, let me see. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. It comes with the... I forgot what this is called. I really forgot what this is called. But it comes with a keychain one and a dog tag one. By the way, this this chain right here is actually from the One Finger caster, microcaster. I'm gonna have to open this up, won't I? I don't know. But yeah, it looks like a thing you could use for putting cordage around, or putting fish line around, or what have you. That's pretty cool. I literally forgot what this is called. I literally forgot. Literally forgot. But that retails for $9.50. Oh wow. Here's the description. The new Gig Dog Tag includes several useful items packed into one single dog tag size kit. The new Gig Dog Tag includes a gig point for fishing, a double-sided fishing hook, as well as an arrow point. This new setup uses the entire surface of the dog tag to create several useful tools. Oh, there you go. And honestly, I ain't mad. I mean, shoot. Something I'm definitely going to be putting in my pocket. And something that I'm going to put into either a supplemental kit or my Doomsday Crate I got from Buck K. I actually have several of these little cards from the subscription. And that, including one of my slingshot sling bow thing I got that I bought, So yeah. Now, I'm gonna tell you all a little bit about subscription services, and let me turn on the air real quick. Now, honestly, I find these useful, so yeah. And with subscription boxes and things, go, okay, what do I enjoy doing? Right? What do I enjoy doing? Do I enjoy, tactical? Do I enjoy, like AR and Glock type stuff? Then I can't. Oh god, I can't think of what it is now. I can't think what the box is of it because I haven't watched it in a while. Watching a box of it, but is it tac? It's either Tac Pack, Steel to Will, or Bill. I think Bill and Blade. If you're into AR and Glock stuff, that. If you're into bushcraft type stuff, I don't know if it's actually still around, but I think a pocket box. If you're like me, like a small little stuff, this, So yeah, pick the one or two or whatever that's right for you. So next is the tip card number FD3, how to field dress a bird, and that retails for $1.85. This tip card covers the basics of field dressing wild birds to prepare for cooking, and includes both a visual guide as well as a written instruction on the subject. And it does. On the back. Yeah. I'm going to give this to someone. I'm vegetarian vegan, so this is useless. This card is kind of useless to me. But I can't give it to someone, though. So, that does cook. You know, like turkey and etc. So, yeah. And that retails for $4.85, as I said. Oh, hey. Ooh, I'm definitely using that coupon code. And last but not least, tip card number 0/1, that is $1.85, and that is, it says, this tip card includes a quick visual guide on 2 great knots. The alpha butterfly bend, which is great if you need to extend the length of a line that ended up being too short, and then recover your line. It also includes a double-handed stopper knot, which is a great knot to tie at the end of a rope to create a bully stopper and stop things from sliding off your rope. That retails for $1.85. Now these are always useful. Let me just say right now. Yep. The first one is the alpha butterfly bend. And on the back is the double overhand stopper knot. That's actually pretty easy to do, actually, I think. And almost always it comes with a business card that can be used as a spool. Which I'm actually happy with this much box, to be honest. Oh, not box, but whatever you would call this. It also comes with a free peanut. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna say I'm continually happy with this subscription. It's only $20, so it's like, if you don't like it, oh well, you're only out $20, right? It seems like it's $20 even. So yeah. We'll keep that in there. If this will actually go in here. Yeah. Anyway, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. You know, definitely like, subscribe, and all that. Anyway, this has been Joe K's EDC and Knife. Peace, y'all.